Well, hi, Peter Ordal. You're here at Crisis Camp DC. You've been working hard all day and coordinating communications between the different crisis camps. How many are they? How many are there, and how are they working together?
So there's about 13 that I know of. They're in most of the major cities in the U.S. and they are all active and running right now, and there's kind of a flurry of activity going on between them all. In terms of communication, there is a lot of collaboration on specific projects, so typically there will be 1, 2, or 3 crisis camps working on any given project. So a couple examples would be that, like right now we've got a bunch of folks in Miami who are coming online and working, and they're getting in touch with our GIS group here in DC, and we've got a really top-notch GIS expert here named Andrew Turner. He's starting to work with them to get, they've got some Haitian citizens who are coming into Miami who have good local knowledge of the maps of the streets and the points of interest on the ground, and so what they're doing is they're getting that local knowledge and they're getting it into a system called OpenStreetMap. It's sort of an open source version of Google Maps. They're collaborating with our DC team on getting that data into this system, and then that's going to get pushed out to GPS devices that are physically in the hands of search and rescue teams on the ground and relief teams on the ground in Haiti. And this is all happening in a matter of hours, so it's really incredible how quickly this data is turning around.
And what are you learning from collaborating using online platforms? How are you communicating with different teams and working with that?
This is an issue. I mean, we started this day, well, I was at last week's Crisis Camp, and that got organized in 48 hours, and there were 200 to 300 people there. So, as you can imagine, there was almost no understanding when 9 a.m. rolled around of who should be doing what, or how they should be talking to each other, or how we were going to collaborate. And what happened was, basically, we got a bunch of teams formed, working on projects, and we kind of grew our communications system organically. So we started out with a wiki, which is at wiki.crisiscommons.org. That has grown substantially. There's a lot of information about how people can help and what sorts of projects are going on. So that's been sort of the central nexus where people are contributing sort of the most permanent information. But in terms of real time, it's sort of whatever you can find to get in touch with the person who you need to contact. So far today I have used my telephone, my cell phone, Twitter, IRC, Skype, email, and physically hunting people down in order to communicate and get people talking to each other. So I used Twitter to find some folks in Atlanta and Boston to get in touch with some computational linguists here in DC who are building a machine translation system. Right on this laptop behind me, I've got IRC running, talking to a woman in Miami to connect those Haitian citizens with our GIS team. And we've got a big email group going on testing out Google's People Finder Android app, basically just trying to find anyone with an Android phone who can test out this application and provide feedback on usability and that sort of thing. So it's pretty much, it's very organic. It's whatever kind of system works to get a hold of the person that you're trying to reach, and I'm just trying to go between everyone and get everyone working together.
Okay, thank you, Peter. Good luck.
Thank you.